I'm at the Green Planet today, Dubai. I am not really sure what to expect, but yeah, I will show you everything. Let's go. Yeah, it's Christmas, so they have a Christmas decoration here. So many attractions for kids, but as you probably can hear, it's so noisy. There is so many construction behind that, but it's really nice. Oh, we have first animals here, turtles. And we are going inside. So this is the map of Green Planet. We are starting on the top, on the level 4, and then we go down, down, down. So we are on the top already. You can see so many birds, different kind of birds. You have explanation here. Ooh. The monkeys are there, 2 of them. Check these 2, they're so cute. can be really close to them. And these lemurs are so cute. I love them. They are checking their weight. It's so funny how they are waiting in line. Check this cutie pie! Oh my god! Oh, check them! They're so cute. And the fluffy one over there is amazing. Oh, check this huge Batman! Wow! It's massive. Oh, I don't like it. I don't know what he's trying to do. Here is some kind of lizard. Check this snake. Oh my lord, I touched the snake. I'm so afraid of snakes, but yeah, I touched him. Check this small cutie pie. What is that, do you know?
What kind of cockroach is it? This one, the Madagascar.
Check this gecko. It's a leopard gecko, actually two of them. Oh, more snakes. Check this green. Wow, I never saw something like that. And yellow frogs. Oh, wow. Actually, these Batmans are called flying fox. Check this. Hello.
Sei più brava dell'Anna, non parla di Cristina come lei.
Check this. There is another one. when you finish with your Green Planet experience, you can have some snack here, drinks, coffee. So we finished with Green Planet experience. First thing first, I 100% recommend to come early morning. We came like few minutes after 10. They are opening at 10, and it was kind of quiet, not that busy. As you can see now, the line is kind of getting huge. Not like massive, but yeah, people are getting inside. It's so good experience if you have kids. The price point, we are residents, so we paid 135 dirhams, and it's a little bit more expensive for tourists. I think around 160, 69, something like that, but it depends on the day. Weekends are more expensive, but yeah, you can see so many birds, different kind of animals. There is so much to do for kids, so if you want to stay longer after visiting the Green Planet and the forest, you can stay there and go to playground, have a snack, have a coffee, and yeah, really good experience. Definitely, if you are here in Dubai, come and check it. That's it for today. Stay tuned, stay safe, take care, and see you later. Bye bye.